Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the external microphone is not working or not connecting on your Samsung Galaxy S9, S10, S20 or the Galaxy S21. Now one of the first thing that you need to check is your external microphone connector. If the connector is of type TRS, it will not work with your mobile device. You need to have this plug right here. If you take a careful look, you can see on this one here, it has 3 different plug lines. Over here, it only has 2 plug lines. So you need to have an adapter. If you already have an adapter and if it's still not working, I'm going to show you why it's not working as well. So first, you want to make sure that you get the right microphone. If you got this type of microphone, then you can get this adapter. And basically you plug this into the adapter and this adapter go into your mobile device. Now, if you already have this adapter and if it's not working, then one of the main reasons is because when you're plugging in into right here, and if you have a case on, sometimes the case right here where the headphone jack is, the hole is too small and this plug right here is too big, and because of that gap right there, it's not gone all the way in, so the adapter is not gone all the way into the jack, and that's may cause the problem. So what you want to do is to take out the phone case. So take out the case. Okay, so take out the case and then you can open up say the camera or a voice recorder. So I'm going to open up voice recorder, and you can see if I plug this one in, it should say external microphone will be used to record audio, as you can see right here. And from here you can plug in the microphone. Now you can also get one as a USB type. So here I got a USB type, and then this end is 3.5 millimeter. So if I plug into the USB port right here, you can see it's the external mic will be used to record audio. So you can get an adapter for the 3.5 millimeter or for the USB. So I got 2 different adapter right here, as you can see. And if you got a newer phone, so say the Galaxy S20, it doesn't have that 3.5 port, so you will need to get this USB adapter. But one of the main reasons why it's not working is because of the case. Now you can see here on this case I have to actually cut out quite a bit here down at the end. Because of this cover, it causes quite a big blockage, and this thing here could not go all the way in. So if I had this one in the case like that before, I simply couldn't plug in this adapter, and that's why causing the microphone not going all the way in, this adapter not going all the way into the microphone jack, and that's why it's not working. So now after I have cut it, it's gone all the way in now, and that is one of the main reason why it's not working, and you should check for that. Now another thing that you want to do is first, do not connect your microphone. You want to first open up an app. So you open up an app first, and then you connect the adapter. Once you connect the adapter, it should pops up with a message saying the external microphone will be used to record audio. And then after that, you connect the microphone. So sometimes even if you just simply plug in the microphone first like that, it still not work even though you plug this one all the way in. So the way to get it working is somehow if you open up the app first, then connect the adapter. Once you see it say that message, you are using the external microphone, and then you insert or you connect the microphone. At that time, it will work. Okay, so that's what you can do to try and get your external microphone to work. The Galaxy S9, S10, or the S20 or the S21. And that's it. That's how you can fix this problem. with the external microphone not connecting or not working for your Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.